Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you just three simple ways to fold socks. I hope this video brings some more fun into your laundry day, and I hope it gets your space more organized. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
The first sock folding technique is roll and tuck. First, take your one pair of sock and lay it flat. Then take one sock and put it on top of the other, and take the cuff or the leg of the sock and fold that about 1 inch in. Next, take the foot of the sock and start rolling. Once you reach the cuff, tuck in the rolled part and you're done. The next sock technique is the popular one, Connery. Place one sock on top of the other and fold into thirds. If you did it correctly, they will stand up vertically by themselves. Last but not least is the fold over. Place one sock on top of the other, creating a cross. Now fold in and bring both socks, cuffs, and foot into the center of the cross. Once that's done, turn it around and you're done.